Hey guys, let's demystify this amazing studio workhorse. For those of you that have been in the studio, you may have seen the rolling mill uncovered. You may have seen it covered with my pillowcase. For those budding metalsmiths that are starting to do research on their craft and learning and watching videos, I'm sure you have seen this wonderful, weird-looking tool in people's studios. I have to tell you, this is such an amazing, powerful studio workhorse for me. And most days, he's a daily driver for me. So if and when, when the time comes for you to procure a rolling mill, please choose wisely. It is an expensive investment, but it is a worthwhile investment that lets me handle so many technical applications in the studio, like drawing down, milling down, rolling down my wire and sheet or ingots that we pour. And it also lets me incorporate some really cool textures and patterns on my pieces, which is just an artful bonus. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we did this. And in this video, I will also show you how we took the ingot that we poured from our Reclaim Your Metals video and how we took that ingot and started to roll it through the rolling mill to start to mill it down to a more usable size to make wonderful and shiny things. Now, I will suggest to you, since this is a daily driver and a tool that will last you a lifetime and provide you reliable service every time you go to use it, this is not the tool to skimp on. So either keep your eyes peeled for so many of us coming up in the industry. There are the folks that have put 50 years in behind the bench and they are retiring. You never know when someone will be dissolving their shop and studio and have all of these wonderful tools to sell. So keep your eyes peeled. You could get really lucky and get a really good rolling mill for your studio. If you have to buy one new, not the end of the world. It's a wonderful investment to make and a wonderful tool to have in your studio, and it's a big day when you get your rolling mill. Choose wisely. Don't choose the cheap rolling mill on the internet. I think you will outgrow it. I would take that same money and set it aside for your rolling mill and bump up your hustle a little bit more so that you can afford the better tool, which over the long run becomes the less expensive tool. While it might be more expensive at the outset for your initial purchase, you'll never have to replace it. You'll never have to get another rolling mill. Now, rolling mills come in all shapes and sizes. This one for me was a small footprint, and it also was a price point that was affordable for me. But sky's the limit. There are double-decker rolling mills. There are rolling mills with all sorts of extensions on them. There are electric rolling mills. You know, I don't know what your financial situation is, but I would make sure that you choose and purchase the best rolling mill that you can afford so that it can grow with you, provide you reliable service behind the bench, and last you a lifetime.